Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a C program using Dev C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. And if you are new with my channel, please support by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So let's get started. I am here in my desktop. I'm using Windows 10. So as the tutorial that I mentioned is how to write and run a C program using Dev C++. So we have here the shortcut key, Dev C++. Just we double click. And then here, to write a C++ program, go to File, select New, Source File. Okay, so here, let's say we will create a simple hello world. So sharp include stdio.h. Okay, let us make it much bigger, no? So int main, open and close bracket. It is a first function, no, or the main function that every C program that is being executed. And then we simply write printf or print formatting, double quotation, hello world in C. We put here a semicolon, and then we have to type return 0 to return to our operating system, semicolon. Okay, so after we type the program, the next step that we'll do is to save. Control S. Okay, so let us create a folder here. New folder. How to write and run C programs in Dev C++. Double click. Now here we type the file hello, the file name rather, .c, and then click the save button. Okay, so we have already saved. The next step that we'll do is to go to execute, compile and run to check if there is a syntax error, and then our program is running. So we can see here hello world in C. Okay, so that's it, no? Compile and run, or compile, no, if we don't want to, there is no error, and then we can run. Okay, so perfect, no? So next example, a basic input output in C language. We go again, no, file, new, source file, sharp include stdio.h. Stdio means standard input output. Int main, begin int sum, comma a equals 0, comma a. Let's see, addition of three numbers, b 0, comma c. Printf, addition of three numbers in C. Semicolon, printf, double quotation, new line, printf, print formatting, give three numbers. Okay, so we are asking the user to give three numbers. Now in C language, now in order for us to store values in our variable, we will using the command scanf or scan formatting, %d, %d, and %d, because this is integer, and ampersand a, ampersand b, and ampersand C. Printf, new line. Sum assignment statement here equals A plus B plus C, close parenthesis. Printf, new line. Okay, and then we have here printf the sum of %d, comma, %d and %d is %d, and then we have here comma A, B, C and sum. Okay, we copy again this one, and then we have here return 0. Save. Okay, so the file is addition.c. Click the save button. Now let us execute, compile and run. Give 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we have here sum of 1, 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so here we go guys, we have already finished another program, addition of 3 numbers, and able to run it in C and Dev C++ programming language. Dev C++ IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is the end of our short tutorial video on how to write and run C program in Dev C++. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.